A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRAB subject of JAIIB exam. Hope so you are all fine. We were doing the exam oriented question, which is very important for the examination point of view, and after the two paper, that is PPB and AFB, we will do the previous year questions of your LRAB. That's why I'm not taking the previous year questions, because you people are busy in the AFB and PPB paper. So after the paper, it means at 10 January we will start solving the questions of the previous year paper of the 2019, 18 and 17. Okay, now you can easily see that this is the fresh foundation batch of the English medium. Those who are new in this session, they want to do the exam of May or June of JAIIB exam. So the first, you can easily see, this is the new English medium batch of May-June exam. The first class is going to be start from LRAB 7th February, PPB 28th February and AFB 7th March. So you can easily, mug up or gain the, you can easily, this one, study the three papers at different month, so that you can easily, take, or you can easily learn a new concept, which are, especially for those students who are from the non-commerce background, all the things may be new for them. So that's why this is a fresh batch. You can take admission in this batch. Okay, so simply you have to use the code, that is Y391 for the maximum discount. Okay, Y391 for the further and the maximum discount. You can use this code. Okay, now this is the a case study of LRAB. If you are very serious about your exam of JAIIB exam, okay, so this is the fresh, a targeted batch, a crash course batch, in which in this batch I'm going to start a crash course of your LRAB in a very brief manner, plus we will do the 125 plus case study questions. So this batch is going to be start from 10 January. Those who have, cleared the concept, they only require the revision. So after two paper, this is the best batch in which you can easily revise your LRAB concept in a quick revision way, and 125 plus questions of the case study. And previous year in the YT session, I always used to take the previous year question in the YT session. So you can easily see previous year question complete, crash course and case study question. So if you will take these three sessions, then it is a damn sure, or 100% I'm giving you guarantee, then you can easily crack your JAIIB exam. Okay, now exam oriented question. This is class 3 and first question. And please do this question very carefully. These are the previous year questions of the 5 year. Okay, and from 10 January we will do the recent previous year question of 19, 18 and 17. Okay, now first question. The direction of Reserve Bank issued to the banking companies under section 35A of the Banking Regulation Act are what? Binding on them, not binding on them, or in the nature of guidelines, binding on the banks and the public, and none of the above. Tell me the exact answer. The direction of the Reserve Bank of India, as you know that the Reserve Bank of India is the father of the bank. So whether the direction which is given by Reserve Bank of India under the banking regulation, whether it is binding or not. For the first one, the exact answer is binding or not. Yeah, it is binding on them. Okay, the Reserve Bank of India, they do not directly give the direction, but indirectly they can do, they can just, you can say that protect all the bank. Okay, that is the main work of Reserve Bank of India. Now, second one. When an action for enforcement of security can be initiated, action for enforcement of the security can be initiated. First point, when a borrower is under the liability of secured creditor, borrower makes a default in payment of principal and interest, the loan account is classified as a non-performing asset, and all of the above. Second one, those who are new in this session, they do not, and those who belongs from the non-commerce background, so no need to worry about the LRAB subject. You can take admission in a fresh foundation batch in which the new concept I will teach you in a very, easy manner, because law is nothing but the common sense and logic. Yeah. Second one, when the action for enforcement of security can be initiated, the borrower is under liability of secured creditor, borrower makes a default in payment of principal and interest, and the loan account is known as the non-performance asset. This is also important. What is NPA? NPA is also important. Just try to, learn the whatever new words you are just seeing here, just try to know the meaning of that word also. So NPA is important. Okay, NPA is important. So for the second one, the exact answer is, first of all, this question is taken from the SARFAESI Act. Okay, it's a SARFAESI Act. So basically D will be the exact answer of the second one. Okay, D will be the exact answer. Now third one, under what circumstance security cannot be enforced? First one, if it is agricultural land, when the amount due is agricultural land, when the amount due is less than 1 lakh rupees, when the borrower has repaid more than 80% of the principal and interest, and all of the above. Tell me the exact answer of third one. Security cannot be enforced. Under the SARFAESI Act, this act in which the authority have a power that without intervention of the court, they can easily take money from the borrower. That is the main work of SARFAESI. Before SARFAESI, we have to go with the civil court. Civil court, takes so much time, and then DRT, DRAT, and then this SARFAESI Act give the power to the authority. Sir, no need to go court, main hoon na. Okay. So for the third one, the exact answer is that all of the above, in which we cannot go to the simply to enforce the security. Okay. Next, fourth one. Dissolution of partnership firm take place if, okay, this topic is very important, dissolution of the partnership firm. In each topic of your law, just always try to understand, in each act, you have to learn only the important acts and term. Suppose if I say dissolution of partnership firm, this particular question is taken from the Partnership Act 1932. In this act, only you have to understand the definition of the partners. Second one, the dissolution of partnership firm. Third one, types of partner. That's it. So in this way, we can easily understand what different contents we have to learn in each act. And in your LRAB, only you have to mug up 22 acts. LRAB is not equal to LLB subject. Okay, no. When I was done the LLB subject, we have done with the 50 plus acts. But in your exam, only 22 acts will be there, and only you have to learn few important things from each act. Suppose this act, only 3 things. That's it. So how could you dissolve the partnership firm? First, by mutual agreement amongst the partner to dissolve, death and insolvency, retirement of the partners, and operation of law. Fourth one. Tell me the exact answer. Fourth one. Whether by mutual agreement, death or insolvency, retirement of the partners, and operation of law. Fourth one. The exact answer of fourth one is all of the above is the exact answer. Okay. Now, fifth one. When a guaranteed loan is paid by guarantor, he gets right of the principal debtor and is said to be stepping into the shoe of debtor. The right is known as right of novation, right of substitution, right of subrogation, and guarantor's right. Fifth one, this is very important. Okay, what are the rights of the surety? Because you know the surety we have already done, that is principal debtor, guarantor, and principal debtor, and this is, you know, principal debtor, he is surety, creditor, and this one surety and guarantor. Okay, so creditor always give money to the principal debtor. Principal debtor, suppose if not able to pay the money, so the guarantor will pay money to the creditor. So guarantor, you can say that step into the shoe of the principal debtor. Okay, so what it called? Novation, substitution, subrogation, guarantor rights. And I just want that if you are just, you know, suppose if you think that ma'am A will be right, A will be the right answer, so at least you have to know the exact meaning of this thing. Okay, so what will be the right answer of fifth one? For the fifth one, the exact answer is, that is right of subrogation. This is the exact answer. Okay. Now, sixth one. Section 172 of the Indian Contract Act say, what it say? The bailment of goods as a security for the payment of debt or performance of the promise refer to what? Banker's lien, hypothecation, pledge, and mortgage. Sixth one. What will be the exact answer? I always used to say that for a contract, if we talk about the special principle of contract, then indemnity is important, indemnity, guarantee is important, bailment is important, pledge is important, and agency is important. Indemnity, section 124, guarantee, section 126, bailment, section 148, pledge, section 172, and agency, section 182 to 238, simply. So 172, as you know that the exact answer is, that is C, that is pledge. Okay, just learn the section of this one. And daily I am giving the one shots in the Officers Adda Instagram and YouTube channel. So kindly see that shots so that you can easily mug up the, you know, important points of your LRAB subject. Okay, this is very important. Now, seventh one. If the sale of good is by dash, there is an implied condition that the goods shall be correspond with the description. In this particular question, the important act is Sales of Good Acts. In the Sales of Good Act, you have to learn about the, first of all, definition of goods, what includes in goods, what exclude in goods. Third thing, you have to know the difference between sale and agreement to sale. Next one, you have to know the this one, rights of the unpaid seller, and types of this one, guarantee and warranty. These are the important concept of your Sales of Good Act. For each one, you have to know the exact one. And LRAB is a very, very easy subject. You do not have to mug up, but only you have to understand, use your common sense and logic. So for the seventh one, the exact answer is, if the sale of good is by description, there is an implied condition that the good shall correspond with the description. Okay. Now, eighth one. The district forum shall consist of president, eminent person, lady social worker, and all of these. Eighth one. Give me a quick reply. I always used to see your answers in the chat box, and if you have any doubt regarding these questions, you can easily write in a comment box. Comment box means in which I can see and I can give you the reply, because after this session the chat box is closed. So that's why, please, if you want to ask any question, you can easily ask me in a comment box, okay? And those who are sincere, like Sandeep sir, Amandeep Kaur sir, many few students are there who are very regular, so it's a damn sure that you will select in JAIIB exam. Regularity, punctuality will pay you. So the district forum, so this topic is taken from the Consumer Protection Act. What are the important contents of Consumer Protection Act? The important contents are, first of all, definition of the few terms that is given in Consumer Protection Act. Second one, what are the territorial and pecuniary jurisdiction of this one, and what are the forums and their members. That's it. So for each act, you know the exact answer. So for the 8th one, the exact answer is all of these will be the right answer. Now 9th one. The person given license to issue the digital signature certificate under section 24 of the IT Act is called what? Certifying authority, DGC authority, and digital signature controller, and controller of the certifying authority. 9th one. What is the exact answer? The person given license to issue the digital signature certificate under section dash. For this one, you have to know the exact, this one, exact, content. You have to learn the content of this thing. Those who are non-commerce background, no need to worry. A fresh English medium batch is going to start from 7 February. You can easily take admission and use the code Y391 for the special and the maximum discount. So for the 9th one, the exact answer is certifying authority. Okay. Now 10th. Please see the question very carefully. Okay. Bank X give a bank guarantee. Okay. The bank X is there, who is giving the bank guarantee on behalf of one of its customer against some payment to be deposited by the customer in the pending court case. Such guarantee is classified as a financial guarantee, performance guarantee, deferred payment guarantee, and statutory guarantee. This is very important, the bank guarantee topic is very important from the examination point of view. The bank guarantee is specially divided into 3 that is financial guarantee, performance guarantee, and the last one is deferred payment guarantee. So for the 10th one, the exact answer is, if you know the three terms of guarantee, then you can easily know that answer. For the 10th one, the exact answer is, that is a statutory guarantee, because in financial guarantee, particular amount is fixed in which the bank is given the guarantee. In performance, something act and project is to be done in which bank will give guarantee on the basis of the project and this one, and deferred payment on the basis of the, the installment of the rupees, the bank will give the guarantee. So for the 10th one, the exact answer is C. 11th. An agreement that cannot be enforceable by law is called, cannot be enforceable. For this thing, you have to know the meaning of quasi agreement, void agreement, voidable agreement, and immoral agreement. If you know the exact terms, you can easily understand this. Law is very, very, very easy. Okay. An agreement that cannot be enforceable by quasi agreement. Quasi means that is half agreement. Initially, we do not want to take part in agreement, but later on we have to do agreement. That is called quasi. Void means the agreement which is not enforceable by law. Voidable agreement in which one party have option to breach the contract. Immoral means that is against the public policy. So for the 11th one, the exact answer is, that is void agreement. Okay. 12th. A contract is valid only when there is a valid consideration. Okay. A contract is valid because we have done with in section 10. only when there is a valid consideration. But in case of contract of guarantee, no consideration passes between bank and guarantee. The contract is still valid because, give me the quick answer. Yeah, in the contract of guarantee, consideration is not passes between the bank and the guarantee. Okay, so the contract is still valid because guarantor has signed the contract with his free will. Guarantor is a major person and contract with a major person is valid. Anything done for the benefit of the borrower is sufficient consideration for the guarantor. And D is guarantor's liability is secondary, hence no consideration is required. 12th one. What will be the exact answer of 12th one? For the 12th one, the exact answer is, for the 12th one, the exact answer is, that is C. Anything done for the benefit of the borrower is sufficient consideration for the guarantor. No need to give the extra consideration. Okay, that's all for today's class. You know, for the revision, you can easily, take the batch of your, this one, 10 January batch for the quick revision in the 10 days. And this is the mock paper. If you have totally revised your syllabus, then you can easily do the mock paper. Okay, in this 50 mock paper is there, in which 30 is a full length and rest of all is the practice paper of all the 3 paper. And this is the e-kit in which you can easily learn the one-liner of all the 3 paper. Okay, that's all for today's class. For anything, if you want to purchase, you have to use the code Y391 for the special discount. And this is the new foundation batch in the English medium, in which the LRAB is start from 7 January, PPB from 28 February and AFB from the 7th of March. Okay, you can easily take admission. How you can take admission? I am just giving you a short trick. First of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Adda site. Okay, and after that you have to just write the, that is Adda 24/7 store. Okay, click on Adda site. You can easily see this background of your, okay, it's a Naya Saal Nayi Umeed. So you have to scroll this one, and this is bank insurance and this is JAIIB and CAIIB. So click on the JAIIB and CAIIB. If you click on JAIIB and CAIIB, you can see JAIIB 2022, JAIIB May-June 2022. So you have to tick mark on JAIIB May-June 2022, in which you can easily see this batch, English medium, and this is the bilingual medium batch, which is going to be start from 31st January, and this English medium batch is going to be start from 7th February. If you are thinking that you ma'am, I just want to take only AFB subject, so there is separate batches also there. You can take the separate admission in this batch. Okay, suppose if you want to take in this batch, you have to click on this. First of all, you can see the product of this one. LRAB class will be start from 7 February. Time will be 7:30 AM to 8:30 AM. 1 hour daily class, Monday to Friday only. I'm talking about the LRAB subject. Saturday, Sunday, full revision. And after that, within the 1 month, we will finish this course. Okay. Next one, you can easily see the study plan. Okay, study plan of all the paper done. And in this batch, 61 ebooks is also there. 30 plus topic wise questions is also there. Okay, so this is the particular way. And how to purchase? First of all, you have to scroll. Okay, and see the price is 999. This is not the actual price. Click on view offer. Okay. If you click on view offer, then you have to enter your mail ID. Suppose your mail ID is d@gmail.com. Okay, and enter the coupon code, that is Y391, simply Y391, and click on apply. If you will apply, then you can easily see how much discount is going on. Okay, 77% discount is there. Okay, it's maybe 80% maybe discount. So within the 199.80 paisa, you can easily grab this opportunity. Okay, you can easily take admission. Okay, and simply Y391. So by this you can see the product, how much things will be provided in this batch. Okay, this is the all one. And suppose if you want to take the crash course of JAIIB 2022, crash course of your this batch. This is the English medium batch of case study. PPB and AFB is already started. LRAB will be start from 10 January. See, this batch is going to be start from 10 January. In this batch, you can easily see total lecture per hour. This is a study plan. From 10 January to 20 January, your class will be there. 10 plus hour is the crash course content, that is a quick revision of this one, and 120 plus case study will be discussed in the class. Okay, if you want to purchase this, simply click on view offer and just simply enter your mail ID and apply the coupon code Y391. Click on this and you can avail the maximum discount. Okay, so if you have any problem regarding this batch, regarding any content, you can easily write in a either mail of all the 3 teachers, or either you can just write in a comment box. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day and all the best for all the 3 papers.